Hi, my name is Blue. This is my friend Red. Say hi, Red. Hi. What do you want to do today, Red? I don't know. Oh, look, it's Yellow. He's a baby. I'm a baby. Feed me. Oh, look, it's Green. He's mentally disabled. I really like kitchen counters. Oh, look, it's Orange. He's sad about life. Oh, look, it's Purple. He's a builder. I'm making a hairbrush. We are friends. Yay!
Green, aren't you having so much fun decorating this tree? Absolutely! Green, where are the decorations? I ate them all. Hey guys, we're here! Oh good, it's Blue and Red! So, how was the ride over here? Oh, horrendous! There was so much traffic! I'm just glad to finally be here. It's so dull in here though. How about we put on some Christmas music? Yay! Christmas music! Blue, I actually thought we could just... Let me just use my iPhone XLRS Plus Max Pro Diamond Edition! Hey Siri, play Christmas music! No, Blue.
Dashing through the Christmas in a one-horse open Christmas. All I want for Christmas is Christmas. Christmas, the red-nosed Christmas. Deck the Christmas with Christmas spirit, blah.
Blue, I'm not really in the mood for Christmas music. Okay, how about we watch a movie on Purple's flat screen TV?
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Oh, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Why can't we just relax like the good old days? I don't even like Christmas that much. Red, don't say that. It's my favorite holiday. I don't care. All it's ever done for you guys is turn you into a bunch of selfish, pathetic, stupid, Red, watch out! What happened? Hey, where is everyone? What's that noise? Whoever you are, you better knock it off. Ah! It is I, Blue. What are you hanging from? That's not important. What's important is that you don't have the Christmas spirit. Oh, come on, what's your deal? I just don't like Christmas. Which is exactly why I've brought you here. Tonight you'll be visited by 3 spirits. The ghost of Christmas past, the ghost of Christmas present, and the ghost of Christmas future. Maybe with their help you'll finally begin to understand the wonders and joys of Christmas. I don't need your help. You fail to understand one thing, Red. I could care less about your opinion. Whoosh! Well, that was weird. You know what else is weird? The fact that you don't like Christmas. Just like I told Blue, I don't need your help. Oh, Red, since when have you been so jaded towards Christmas? I remember a time where you loved Christmas. Alright guys, let's start opening presents now! Whoa! It's that flat screen TV I've always wanted! Whoa! It's that neck pillow I've always wanted! Okay, Red, you next! Wow, it's a singular sock. Merry Christmas, Red! Yeah, sure. It's not important now. What do you mean it's not important? I don't want to talk about it. But Red, I Oddly enough, I kind of think it is. Maybe Red's just grown a distaste for us. Hello? Well, if you're just gonna stand there, can I go home now? Or like... Are we all having fun celebrating Christmas without Red? Oh, you bet! Absolutely! Cheers to us and not Red! Yay! No, wait, guys, no, guys, I'm sorry, please, no, please, no, I'm sorry, please, I'll change, no! Oh, what happened? OMG! Red, you're finally awake! What do you mean? The TV fell on you! You've been out cold for an hour! So this is real life? As opposed to... Guys, I don't like the presents you guys give me. I feel like I deserve a lot better than exploding gifts and individual socks. Oh, Red, I thought you liked those gifts. You never said anything. You should have just been honest with me from the start. Oh, you're right, Blue. I'm sorry. It's all